The realm of pocket-sized filmmaking tools is about to enter a transformative era. A pioneering force in aerial imaging and compact stabilization technology is poised to redefine what a handheld camera can offer. With the unveiling of the next evolution in their iconic lineup, the world is getting ready to meet the next generation Osmo Pocket. An engineering leap that signals not just an upgrade, but a complete reinvention of the portable camera experience. For years, creators have depended on lightweight, intuitive gear that doesn't compromise on professional results. Whether capturing a travel documentary, shooting street scenes, or vlogging life's everyday moments, pocket cameras have been the go-to tool for content creators on the move. The previous iteration already impressed users with its seamless design, impressive stabilization, and cinematic visuals, but now, the successor is setting out to push every boundary further. At the heart of this new evolution is a radical convergence of engineering, design, and imaging science. The fusion of legacy craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology isn't just incremental lights bold. It's intentional and ambitious. A legacy name meets a future vision in one of the most exciting collaborations to date, is whispers from the industry. Confirm the integration of Hasselblad imaging technology into the compact handheld device. Hasselblad, named synonymous with excellence in photographic heritage, from moon missions to museum quality, Prince now lends its expertise to a camera that can fit in your palm. This partnership isn't entirely new, but it marks a pivotal moment. Previously, Hasselblad's input was reserved for high-end drone optics. Now it appears that a deeper integration is happening, with increasing control over Hasselblad's imaging assets. The manufacturer is now ready to infuse that premium DNA into a handheld device aimed squarely at creators of all levels. Expect more than branding. This means richer color profiles, improved tonal depth, sharper optics, and the kind of natural rendering typically reserved for full-frame systems. Imagine the color science used by astronauts and studio professionals, now living inside a pocket-sized powerhouse. A redefined user experience, form meets function design changes are front and center. The next generation pocket camera is rumored to include a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a step up from the modest displays of previous versions. Though seemingly a small change in a compact device, screen real estate is everything. It shapes how users interact, compose, and review footage. This new display will feature a high resolution for 180 by 800 pixel panel, with up to 800 nits of brightness, enough to remain visible even in midday sunlight. This addresses a common pain point among mobile shooters who often struggle with reflective glare while outdoors. Add to that the freedom to rotate the screen. You unlock dynamic framing for selfies, interviews, and cinematic low angles without twisting your wrist unnaturally. The interface is also receiving a subtle overhaul. Button placement and grip. Ergonomics are being refined for faster access and more intuitive control. Physical comfort during extended shoots isn't just a luxury, it's essential for creators. Working in unpredictable environments, a new imaging core, larger sensor, more light, greater detail. Inside this device lies the true innovation industry. Insiders suggest a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a fast 20mm f2.0 lens. A setup that fundamentally changes how a camera of this size can perform. This larger sensor dramatically improves low-light performance. More light per pixel translates into reduced noise, cleaner shadows, and richer detail, especially in the golden hours or dimly lit indoor scenes. Street filmmakers, event shooters, and documentary vloggers will find this particularly useful. When unpredictable lighting becomes part of the story, additionally, the ISO range has been expanded. Video capabilities now reportedly span ISO 50 to 6400. While stills can push as high as ISO 16000, the added flexibility means creators can focus on the moment, not on whether they have the right lighting setup. Advanced imaging tools. Professional. Power. Pocket size. This isn't just a better consumer camera, it's a professional imaging tool that fits in your palm. The system is expected to support 10-bit color depth D-Log-M and HDR video capture features typically reserved for serious cinema rigs. 10-bit color depth enables over 1 billion color possibilities, preserving gradients and subtleties that 8-bit footage often crushes or clips. D-Log-M offers a flatter color profile perfect for post-production, giving editors the freedom to push the look in creative directions. HDR capture ensures both highlight and shadow detail is retained. Even in the most contrast-heavy environments, these tools elevate the footage from simple social videos to content that could fit seamlessly into professional edits. Precision autofocus. With smart subject tracking, one of the most frustrating issues for compact camera users has long been inconsistent autofocus. Focus hunting and subject drift can ruin otherwise perfect shots. But with this new device, those problems might be a thing of the past. Reports suggest the inclusion of phase detection autofocus PDA-F and enhanced eye tracking technology, which will drastically reduce focus lag and improve reliability. Whether your subject is walking, running, or turning, the camera is expected to maintain sharp, consistent focus. Moreover, the next-gen ActiveTrack 7.0 subject tracking system brings intelligent recognition to the next level. It adapts to different motion patterns, lighting conditions, and background elements, ensuring smooth, centered footage even when your subject is unpredictable. Under the hood, performance and processing upgrades beyond the optics. The device is expected to feature a newly engineered processor, giving it the muscle needed for advanced recording modes, real-time previews, and fluid interface performance. Most notably, the camera may now support 4K video at an incredible 240 frames per second. This allows for ultra-slow-motion footage, capturing moments invisible to the naked eye with the kind of clarity and sharpness previously impossible in such a compact form, paired with DJI's signature stabilization system, now combining mechanical gimbal and electronic stabilization. This setup promises gimbal's smooth footage even when you're running, biking, or shooting handheld in a crowd. Whether you're on the move or filming from a shaky platform, the footage will hold up without any noticeable jitter. Thermal control and efficient power management. One overlooked challenge with high-resolution compact cameras is heat management. The more power they pack, the more likely they are to overheat during extended recording. This upcoming release is expected to include a redesigned cooling system, enabling longer shoots without throttling or damaging components. Complementing this is a revamped battery system. It's promising longer recording times per charge, despite the device's brighter screen and more powerful internals. Efficiency improvements in the chipset and intelligent power-saving features will make this possible. Fast charging will also be supported via Power Delivery PD charging technology. The full charge expected in under 25 minutes. This makes it ideal for travel creators and event videographers who need to top up quickly between shoots. Visual impact. Cinematic slow motion in 4K, a major highlight and arguably one of the most buzzed-about features, is the ability to shoot slow motion in 4K at up to 240 fps. That's 4 times the standard frame rate at ultra-high definition, offering dreamy, cinematic footage that draws viewers in and holds their attention. This makes the new Pocket ideal for capturing high-energy subjects, dancers, athletes, crashing waves, flying birds, bustling city streets. Each motion becomes a poetic moment of visual storytelling, beyond casual. Use a tool for serious storytelling. This isn't just a fun gadget. It's a filmmaking instrument purpose-built for creators who demand versatility, quality, and reliability without dragging around a full-sized rig. By integrating pro-level features like advanced log profiles, real-time HDR previews, slow-motion modes, eye detection, and gimbal-level stabilization, this tool aligns more closely with professional workflows than previous generations. It's built not just for ease, but for excellence, connectivity, ecosystem, and workflow integration. The upcoming model is expected to support faster wireless transfers, potentially through enhanced Wi-Fi or Bluetooth protocols, allowing seamless footage backups or live uploads from the field. There may also be USB-C direct tethering, giving creators faster ways to offload footage or stream content through connected devices. Combined with internal loop previews and on-device grading tools, this turns the camera into a one-stop mobile content station. Cloud backup options, live streaming integration, and tethered shooting may also be introduced, bringing even more flexibility to your workflow. Accessories, ecosystem expansion, and community rollout with a new device that's capable. It's likely that a full suite of modular accessories will be released alongside it. Leaks point to a refreshed microphone attachment, external ND filters, compact tripods, and a newly designed carry case. Additionally, the company is known for engaging with its creator community. Expect workshops, tutorials, sample footage, breakdowns, and community challenges that help users get the most out of the device. Workshops and photo walks may launch globally, where aspiring filmmakers can test the device in real-world environments, mentored by professionals. These community efforts are more than marketing, they help creators build skills and confidence using the gear.